Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn index function. So we'll start. So index function is nothing but manually tracking the particular data into the data set. So for now, just to understand, we know we need data set, or we can only use rows to find out anything, or we can use only columns to find data set to data or a particular value, or we can use both. So we'll first start with the rows. Index. First of all, we have to provide the data. So we are only currently working with rows. We'll select the rows only. I selected entire E column, but actually it is row like 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are rows. So now I need Ajay's math mark. So we already selected math column where everyone's math marks are there. So now I want Ajay's. So Ajay is here. So I have to provide the row number. So technically his roll number is 12 and but row number is 13. So I'll put 13 here. So you can use this as a, like completely manual. I'm not sure it is useful or not, but it is useful for some other video. I'll explain it later. So now we can use this for rows, columns only. Let's use it for columns. Now I'll select the entire column, and then I want to know in the fifth column which data is available. What is the heading of the fifth column? So once I hit enter, it will give me the fifth column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in fifth column there is the heading is math. So now how to use combine. So let's start. We'll find out this only 96 only, but we'll select entire data set. Let me show you. We'll start with index. Then I'll select the, you can select the entire data or you can just select the data set. Then you have to scroll up. The second step is row number. So Ajay's maths mark we need. So row number will remain 13 only because we already checked Ajay is in 12. Row number is 12, but row number is 30. Now we have to provide the reference in which column maths scores are there or marks are there. It is fifth. Already we have tracked. In fifth column there is maths mark. So we'll select this. So we'll get the same answer. But I'm not sure who is using this manually. It is like of waste of time only. Rather we use like we want to figure out Ajay's maths mark, so we can use this. We look up simply look up value as, and then I'll select this and that's 2 0 hit enter. And we got the incorrect answer. Why? Um, there is another okay. There is another Ajay in the data set. So we are here for this Ajay. So I'll do this Ajay Ajay. Now data will change. So this is another problem of VLOOKUP which we can solve in the further video in advanced VLOOKUP. I'll upload that on Tuesday, I guess. I'm not sure which Tuesday. But this is index. But we can combine it with the match function to solve the problem. Now, if I need Ajay's English score or marks, it is impossible for me to do with the VLOOKUP. And there is XLOOKUP, we can use that, but there is like another formula which I personally prefer. I call it DLOOKUP. Directly we can look up it. So we'll discuss in the further video. For now, just understand how index work. So simply we have to give the row number and the column number and the data, and wherever both are intersecting we'll get the data. Let's suppose here, and we have provided fifth here. Wherever it is getting intersected, we get that value. For manual tracking anything, I hope you understand the index. We can use this index function with match function to solve this VLOOKUP problem of not getting data from the left side of the names. Yeah, I hope you understand the VLOOKUP. Oh, sorry, this index. Thank you. Please subscribe and comment.